back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Segen, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 easy breakfast meal ideas to get you started in the morning. In last week's meal prep video, a lot of you guys suggested to have a breakfast video, so I put these 3 easy meals together for you guys. And since recording that video, I've been kind of eating very clean since then. I actually dropped like 5 pounds, so if you guys are watching this and you guys want to start eating more healthier, more clean at home, continue watching. Before we get started, you already know I have to give my post notification shout outs to the following people right over here. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. If you guys want a shout out like them, all you have to do is click the notification bell, let me know that you're a new subscriber in the comment section down below, and I'll give you a shout out on my next upload. So I upload on my channel every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so let me know if you're new and I'll give you a shout out. So without further ado, let's get started on making some breakfast. This is like the breakfast I need when I'm extremely hungry in the morning because it's jam-packed with just a bunch of food. So I'm gonna start off with 4 pieces of turkey bacon. You can use regular bacon or beef bacon is my favorite, but I have turkey bacon, so that's what I'm gonna use. So I already preheated my oven at 375, and I'm gonna pop these in for about 5 to 8 minutes. So as the turkey bacon cooks in the oven, I'm gonna get started with my morning coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on making my eggs. So I'm just going to get some cooking spray. So next I'm going to start with cutting our avocado and plating our breakfast. And don't get me wrong, I love avocado toast, but I'm just trying to take a break from carbs like I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Look how gorgeous this avocado looks. Oh gosh, beautiful. So I'm just going to cut it. I'm going to take a spoon and scoop it out. Beautiful, look at that. So I'm just gonna plate that right there. Fan that out because we're fancy. Maybe not that fancy, but you know, you get it. So I'm just gonna add our turkey bacon right over here. I love it. Look at that. So because this is like the ultimate breakfast for me, like when I'm super hungry, I like to add in a little bit of cheese. And of course, some hot sauce on top. There we go. And there you have it. That is this is like my Saturday morning breakfast. When I have a little bit more time in the morning and I wanna have like a really full breakfast, this is what I'll have. And typically I would have 2 eggs, but today I'm not gonna be eating 2 eggs, so I figured I'm like 1 egg is fine with 4 strips of bacon, and half of an avocado is more than enough. So that is my breakfast, guys. This is the ultimate protein jam-packed breakfast. Okay, so to get started with our yogurt parfait, I'm just gonna take a couple of tablespoons of vanilla yogurt. This is my favorite yogurt, but you can use whatever yogurt you'd like. Try to smooth it all out. And the next thing I like to do is add in my vitamins. So I like to add a bit of collagen powder. I also really love hemp seeds with my yogurt, so I'm gonna add some hemp seeds as well, and some chia seeds. Chia seeds are amazing because it really keeps you full during the day. Like, I absolutely love it. I don't get really hungry after I have just this yogurt parfait. It takes me like a few hours to get hungry for lunch. So I'm just gonna move it so it looks a little bit more prettier. But next, I'm gonna add in our fruit. Now I get my chia seeds and hemp seeds from Costco. As far as the collagen powder, I do order it off of Amazon. I add it into my yogurt parfaits every morning. It's amazing for your skin and your hair. So I suggest checking out collagen powder. I left a link in the description box below for you guys. So I just washed up some raspberries and I'm also gonna add some blueberries. So I don't like to measure them. I just take a handful of each fruit and then I rinse them and then I add them to the parfait. All right, so my blueberries are nice and clean, so I'm just gonna add them to our mix here. And then there we go. This is what I actually eat most mornings, and yeah, this is like my favorite breakfast. That's why you guys always see me post it on my Instagram stories, but this is what I love to have with a nice cup of hot black coffee. That is like my ideal morning breakfast. So for the chia seed pudding, all I did was added some unsweetened almond milk, some chia seeds, some maple syrup, and I finished it off with some cinnamon. So you can flavor it however you like. You can add vanilla if you like, or maybe nutmeg. It all depends, but I really like that cinnamony flavor. I even add cinnamon to my coffee from time to time, but that's what I did for this chia seed pudding. And then I stored it in the fridge overnight. Okay, so the chia seeds have been soaking into our almond milk, and now it's time to scoop it out. So this is what it looks like. Look at all that. It smells like oatmeal because of the maple syrup and the cinnamon that we added, but this is how I make my chia pudding. So I'm just gonna add it to our bowl here. And I'm gonna put some berries on top. I'm actually gonna sprinkle in a little bit of cinnamon as well. And that's how to make chia pudding. Now, I absolutely love chia seeds. I've been having chia seeds for years now, but I love how full it keeps me throughout the day because I get caught up with work, editing, filming, and things like that. But when I have chia seeds, especially in my yogurt parfaits in the morning, it keeps me really full for a really long time. So I absolutely love chia seeds. Look at that, guys. This is 3 options of breakfast that I love to eat, so I need to share with you guys. Alright, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And remember, if you guys want a shout out, just let me know down below that you're new to my channel. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so make sure you guys click that notification bell as well. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye!